When it comes to kitchen gadgets, having a reliable immersion blender can make all the difference. This Braun portable immersion hand powerful 350-watt stick blender, with its dual speed settings and versatile attachments, stands out as a top contender in the world of handheld blenders. This review will delve into every aspect of this blender, from its power and performance to its design and usability, helping you decide whether it's the right fit for your culinary needs. At the heart of the Braun portable immersion hand blender is its 350 watts motor. While 350 watts may seem modest compared to some heavy-duty kitchen appliances, it's important to remember that this blender is designed for precision and ease of use. The German-engineered motor is not only powerful, but also finely tuned for balance and durability, ensuring that the blender operates smoothly without undue noise or vibration. The patented PowerBell system, unique to Braun, is what truly sets this blender apart. The ultra-hard stainless steel blades, combined with a bell-shaped blending shaft, create a vortex that pulls food inward, ensuring even blending and reducing suction. This means you can achieve smoother, finer blends with less effort. Whether you're whipping up a smoothie, pureeing soup, or making baby food, this blender handles it all with aplomb. One of the standout features of the Braun 350-watt stick blender is its dual speed settings. This gives you the flexibility to control the blending process more precisely, which is crucial for achieving the perfect texture in your recipes. The standard speed setting is ideal for most tasks, while the Turbo Boost offers an extra burst of power when you need it. The inclusion of these two speeds means you're not limited to one-size-fits-all blending. For delicate sauces and soups, you can use the lower speed to avoid overprocessing. For thicker mixtures like hummus or smoothies with frozen fruits, the Turbo Boost ensures that you can blend everything to a silky smooth consistency without any lumps or chunks. Anyone who has used an immersion blender knows that splattering can be a real issue. Braun has tackled this problem head-on with its SplashControl technology. The unique floral bell shape of the blending shaft, coupled with the strategic positioning of the blades, minimizes splashing and keeps your kitchen clean. This is particularly useful when blending hot liquids directly in the pot, as you won't have to worry about scalding splashes or messy countertops. The design of the blender ensures that ingredients are smoothly drawn into the blades, reducing the chances of splatter and making cleanup a breeze. A good kitchen tool should not only perform well, but also be comfortable to use. The Braun portable immersion blender excels in this regard with its soft grip, slip-proof ergonomic handle. The handle is designed to fit comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. This attention to ergonomic design means that even if you're blending large quantities or using the blender for extended periods, you won't experience discomfort or strain. The well-balanced motor also contributes to the smooth operation, ensuring that the blender doesn't feel heavy or unwieldy in your hand. What makes the Braun 350-watt stick blender truly versatile is its range of attachments. The EasyClick Accessory System allows you to switch between the blending wand, whisk, and beaker with ease. This system is intuitive and user-friendly, making it simple to change attachments depending on the task at hand. The whisk attachment is perfect for beating eggs, emulsifying sauces, or whipping cream. The included beaker is a handy addition for blending smaller quantities or preparing individual servings. With these attachments, the Braun Immersion Blender transforms into a multifunctional kitchen tool that can handle a wide range of tasks beyond simple blending. When investing in a kitchen appliance, durability is always a key consideration. Braun has a reputation for producing high-quality, long-lasting products, and the 350-watt stick blender is no exception. The high-precision motor is designed for longevity, ensuring that the blender maintains its performance over time. The stainless steel blades are ultra-hard and resistant to wear, meaning they'll stay sharp even after frequent use. The overall build quality of the blender is solid, with no flimsy parts or components that feel like they might break easily. This durability is further backed by Braun's reputation as a leading brand in hand blenders, giving you confidence in your purchase. In addition to its performance and durability, the Braun Immersion Blender includes several user-friendly features that make your cooking experience more enjoyable. The EasyClick Accessory System is one such feature, allowing you to swap attachments quickly and effortlessly. The blending wand is designed to be used directly in the pot or container you're cooking in, reducing the number of dishes you need to clean. This convenience is a small but significant detail that makes the blender more practical for everyday use. The included beaker is also BPA-free, ensuring that your food preparation is safe and free from harmful chemicals. The Braun portable immersion hand blender has received positive feedback from users, particularly for its ease of use, power, and versatility. Many users appreciate the ergonomic design, which makes it comfortable to hold and operate. The SplashControl Technology is another feature that users frequently praise, as it keeps their kitchens clean and reduces the mess typically associated with immersion blenders. The dual speed settings and turbo boost are also well received, with users noting that these features give them greater control over their blending tasks. Whether making smoothies, soups, or purees, users find that the Braun blender delivers consistent and reliable results. Conclusion: a must-have tool for every kitchen. The Braun portable immersion hand powerful 350-watt stick blender is a well-rounded kitchen tool that combines power, precision, and versatility in one compact package. Its powerful 350 watts motor, coupled with the patented PowerBell system and SplashControl technology, ensures that you can blend with confidence and achieve smooth, consistent results every time. The dual speed settings offer flexibility, while the ergonomic design ensures comfort during use. The EasyClick Accessory System adds to the blender's versatility, making it more than just a simple blending tool. Whether you're an experienced chef or a home cook, the Braun Immersion Blender is a valuable addition to your kitchen arsenal. If you're looking for a reliable, durable, and versatile immersion blender that can handle a wide range of tasks with ease, the Braun Portable Immersion Hand Blender is an excellent choice. It's designed to make your cooking process faster, simpler, and more enjoyable, allowing you to unleash your culinary creativity without limits. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.